Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a kutsinta from Sarap Pinoy brand. It's very easy. You're just gonna add water and that's the only ingredients, just the powder itself and just water. So each box you only need 1 cup of water. By the way, I'm at my friend's house. I'm watching their dogs, and that's their cat. Her name is Oscar because they thought it's a boy, but then she's a girl, so they decided not to change her name, so it's still Oscar. I know it's funny. So I'm cooking 2 packages, so that's 2 package of kutsinta, Sarap Pinoy. I think I bought it at Seafood City in Chicago. Yep. That's the doggy, my doggy. I bring my doggy too. So that's the steps. So you just need 1 cup of water. It's very easy. And it's my first time to cook it. And we'll see if it tastes good. So now I'm adding the 1 cup of water. So I have 2 packages. So I add 1 more cup. There you go. And then you need to mix it. Mix. I think it's easier if you use the whisk, but yeah, I don't know. There you go, that's my mold. My molder, it's a heart-shaped molder. I just put some, not even halfway, maybe almost halfway, because I don't want it very thick. So there you go. Put it on my steamer. I'm using my rice cooker right now to steam it. So that's the pack. I think I bought it for like around $3 for 1 package of kutsinta. There you go. After I steam it, it looks like that. Ooh, look at that. I know it's not that thick, but it's my first time, so I don't know if it's gonna grow or what, but I think it looks cute.
Look at that.
Now I'm trying the one that I just cooked, and I put some Eden cheese. Yummy.
It's just a little salty, but good.
So my son is trying it. Is it good, be?
Yeah.
What is the name of that one?
Kutsinta.
Huh?
Kushina?
That's a place, Kishina.
Kutsina.
Kutsinta.
Kutsinta.
Kutchinta.
It's good.
Good? That's good.
Play the top.
Tell me like a Hellcat.